Hey guys, I'm Nat, a full-time student and a part-time barista model. I'm here at Signature Market today to show you how to do a really nice recipe that I would like to call Nat with Nuts. So this snack is great because if you're always in a rush like me, being a student, you wake up late for lectures and you don't have time to eat, this is the perfect ideal thing to just grab and go.
That's great! That's just great!
It's so simple, you can do it overnight, you can prep it, you can keep it in the fridge, fits in your lunchbox, so it's perfect. So moving on to the ingredients. This is my favorite walnut. And we have pistachio kernels, almonds, cashew, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, brown sugar, lemon, and wild king honey by Signature Market. So this honey is a little bit special. It doesn't have the usual honey texture, like really thick and all that, but it has just as impactful flavor and all that. So yeah. So to prepare this recipe, it's honestly really simple. All you have to do is just roast the nuts. So I'm just gonna add in like all the nuts at one go. I really like almonds too, but like I have braces, so it kind of hurts when I bite it. Cashew is really nice. Okay, this. Alright. So I can already hear like it cracking from being roasted. So what you're looking for, you're not looking for a burnt texture, you're just looking for like a slightly browner color. It looks more tanned, like they've been in the sun. And you can hear the popping sound. That's when you know like you're doing a good job, and it's probably any time now. Alright, I think that's it. Once you've like already roasted it, just set it aside to cool down. So I'm just gonna pour it into this right here. This smells amazing, by the way. So after you've taken out the nuts, you can just add all the sugar and everything to the same pan. So I'm just gonna add the sugar in while the pan is still hot. Some salt, just a sprinkle of it. And for the honey, all you have to do is just estimate about half a cup. Yeah, so the consistency is really liquidy, as you can see. So just pour it in. Great, honestly. It honestly smells great. So while I let that simmer, I'm just gonna cut the lemon. So this is a technique or a skill that chefs use so that the juices inside the lemon squeezes out a bit, and then you cut. So yeah. So it makes it so much simpler when you squeeze out the lemon juice. This is a really neat trick if you're really like weak like me and you can't really have the strength to squeeze the lemon. Yeah, because like you pre-squeeze it. Yes, that's the word, pre-squeeze it. Careful not to let it burn. Okay, what we're looking for is also another brown caramelized glaze. And once it's done, like after you stirred it, you feel like it's boiling already, you'll add back in the nuts. So give it a very good stir, like mix it around a lot and everything, because you don't want one part of the nut to be centralized with honey and sugar while there are some parts that are just like not coated enough. So give it a good stir, Make sure every nut and seed is coated with a generous layer of honey and sugar. When you feel like every single nut has been coated, you can actually give it a try. So I'm just gonna give it a try. Oh, it smells so good. I wonder how it tastes like. Remember to blow, guys. It's like you're taking it straight out of the pan. Oh, it's so good. I feel like I'm giving an ASMR. It's so hot. It's really great. Like you can taste the sweetness of the honey. You can feel like you can also taste the caramelization of the brown sugar. The lemon really like gives it a sharp zest pang so that it doesn't get too overpowering with the sweetness and everything. Alright, I tasted it and it tastes great, so what you're gonna do next, so take out a tray and also take the parchment paper like this. Okay. So once you've put your parchment paper on a tray, just casually take. So spread it evenly because ultimately it's going to be looking like an energy bar. You have to work quick though because once the heat wears off, it starts to get extra sticky and it starts to take a more solid form. And so you have to work quick while it's still in the state of semi-permeable. So just take your spatula or whatever utensil you're using and then just spread it evenly across like that. But guys, look, it's so pretty. Look at the colors. Like honestly, it reminds me of Christmas or autumn, one of those seasons where this color palette is in season. All right, now if you feel like after you spread it evenly, take another sheet of parchment paper, enough to cover the whole thing. And then just place it on top gently like that. You can even press it down to make sure that you got like an even spread if you want it to be very like squarish and all that. Okay, once you've had your parchment paper down and it's even, put it in the fridge for about 2 hours or see like how long it'll take to maintain a good shape where it's kind of like solid so that you can cut it into bars. All right, I'm just gonna put this in the fridge.
Two hours later.
Okay. Are you ready for the big reveal? Wow, oh my god. Guys, look at the colors. Look how glossy it looks. It still smells so fragrant. Like, just look at it. It's so pretty and it's glossy. I can't wait to try this. Okay. So I'm just gonna shift it to the chopping board. And then I'm gonna take the knife out and I'm gonna split it into, you can split it to however you want it, like depending on how much you think you'll be hungry in the morning. So I'm not that hungry, so I'll split it into the average size. As you can see, it was so easy to prepare this dish. All the ingredients and recipe can be gotten from the Signature Market website, which will be linked down below. So I want you to see how you guys have done this dish. Try it at home, take a picture, and tag Signature Market and tag me as well. I'd love to see how it turns out. Okay guys, let's play a little game. How many bottles of honey have you seen throughout the video? You can pause and have a look and comment down below the number. The best comment, or the one that gets the right answer, will stand a chance to win, ta-da! A mystery gift from Signature Market. It could be any one of their products, so just stay tuned and hopefully get the correct answer. Alright, I think that's the end of the video. Like, comment, and share this video if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to Signature Market's YouTube channel if you like this video and would like to see more of it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!